me see. I cut the thicker end into the cooled boiled water. So it's wet, but not like dripping. It's like just a wet tissue. And then we take little madam here. Ah, hello little madam. And I'm just going to gently wipe over. It's actually hard. You can gently wiping down that eye and in there as well. Oh yeah, I know. And then that one gets thrown away. And then I get another one for the other eye. And it's just, if nothing else, it's good practice to, like, let's just say each eye is different. More than likely it's the same infection in both eyes, but I'm going to just do one eye gets one bandage and the next eye gets the next bandage. That's okay, honey, that's okay. So it doesn't actually get all that much off, but a dry tissue coming on after. No. Oh, good girl. Okay, it didn't lift on that time. No, it didn't lift anything, did it? No, the dry tissue did nothing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm cleaning her. Just very little dab. We have to be very careful keeping water out of her nose because you can drown a kitten very, very easily with water. So they really don't like their faces getting wet. Oh, good girl. So I'm just trying to loosen up a little bit if I can. And to help her then when she goes to clean it later. Oh, you little sweetheart. Oh, I know. I have another one here, look. And you can use cotton wool. This was just this eye. Yeah. So I'm doing the dry one. The dry, some is coming off now. Just to keep her nose dry. Yeah, there's a good girl. And I'm going to put in her drops then after this. Go. Let me see this eye here on this side. Yeah. Try and loosen some of that stuff. A very big hard lump right here. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, good girl. And a little bit there. Oh, good girl. Oh, you're so sweet. And so precious. So very big hard lump there. I may end up having to cut that off with the scissors, but we'll let it grow out a little bit more than it is already. Because it's still quite hard. Yes, it is, honey. Oh, sweetheart. And wipe your nose as well. Oh, sweetheart. I know. And whatever I did, I got some on your back here as well. I did. And I have this nice comb that I can comb your hair. Oh, she's so sweet. Look at the little claws. Look at the little claws. Oh, little sweetheart. Little sweetheart. Oh. Oh, you're doing it yourself, are you? So that's her little eyes cleaned. Because I'm going to do her drops next. So, when it comes to the drops, I get my bottle ready, that I have it ready before I even have the cat, because if I have a hold of her and then I start doing this, I might just let her go and then I have to try and catch her again. So the best thing is just let her come to me, and if that's not working, then, oh god, I can't get the fucking lid off. Come on baby. Eye drops. So this is the dose for this evening for both eyes. Actually, doing her eye drops isn't as hard as you'd think. I just have to catch her first. Come on, honey. Come on. Hey, little cutie. Are you in my shoes? He's a good little girl. He's a good little kitty. Oh, it's so much looser around her eyes now. Come on, honey. Come on. And it's not as yellow. It's not oozing like yellow anymore. It's more clear, and it's coming out is more like a clear fluid, so it's like it's healing. Yeah, if you ever see like a yellowy greeny colour coming from any part of any body, it's not a good sign. That's a sign of infection. That and like redness and swelling. The fun never stops, does it? Here we go now. Look at the lovely folks online. Hello. So we're cruddy eyes, aren't we? Aren't we cruddy eyes? Yes, we are. This is Miss V. This is day 3. This is evening 3. She's had morning and evening, and morning this morning. And now it's time for evening drops. I just want to keep an eye open and drop in a drop. Oh, good girl. I know, it's weird, isn't it? Yes, it's weird. And again, the other side. Finger and thumb, keep it open, and in goes the drop. Yeah, there's a good girl. Oh, mushy on your face. Now I still have a bit more, so I'm going into this eye again. I know. It's stress. I know. Bottle in the fire. I know it's stress. I know. I'm not trying to hurt you. No, I'm not trying to hurt you. No, I'm not. We're going to do lots of loves now, sweetheart. Lots of loves. Yeah. And I feel some stickiness in the back here. So I'm going to get the comb. So it is really nice to treat her. Really nice. After any medicine, we get lots of treats and lots of pets and rubs and praise, because she's such a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. So she'll know once she gets something like that done, she'll get lots of nice praise and fun and nice things. She likes this comb. And her coat and all is looking lovely. She's brightened up. The white is much more white. Yeah. She did have patches on her fur of gunk. And she's done a great job of clearing that all off. So it's just what's left on her face now. And that's our cat eye care. She's still looking a bit goopy, but way better. Here's my little princess, aren't you?